Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel The Aesthetic Plan. If you're new here, I'm Sonia and I'm so happy you have joined me today. Before we dive into my September content planner, let's quickly take a look at my August planner setup. Be sure to check the full video. I'll leave the link in the description below. Today I have something extra special for you. With the festive season just around the corner, I have put today a Ganesh Chaturthi themed content planner to help you stay organized and celebrate the season in style. Whether you are working on your own content journal or just looking for some festive inspiration, this setup will definitely get you into the spirit of celebration. As you know, Ganesh Chaturthi is when we welcome Lord Ganesha into our homes and heart. It is a festival of new beginning, making it the perfect theme for my September content planner. Let's dive right in. Starting with the cover page, I wanted to keep it simple yet festive. I used my Sakura white jelly roll pen to write the title September and added a beautiful Rangoli illustration above it using my Sakura jelly roll pens. On the next page, I illustrated hanging diyas with Lord Ganesha in the center, and below him, I added his favorite sweets to give it a more celebratory vibe. Next is my calendar spread, which is really the heart of this planner. This is where I'll be organizing all my posts and videos for the September. To start with the layout, I wrote the title Content Planner with my purple jelly roll pen and created a box style calendar using a white gel pen. I also left some space next to the calendar for my monthly to-do list. To keep the theme consistent, I added a half rangoli illustration to tie everything together. Now onto my content tracker. This spread is essential for staying on top of my ideas and keeping track of everything during the festive season. As you can see on the left page, I have made my tracker, and the right page I have divided it into sections for each social media platforms. This way I can track all my video ideas and post for the month and stay organized across all platforms. And that's my Ganesh Chaturthi themed content planner. I kept it simple yet festive to strike a balance between creativity and functionality. I hope this inspires you to create your own planner for the season. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative ideas and share how you're planning for the festival in the comments below. Here's a final flip through of the entire planner. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all a very happy and blessed Ganesh Chaturthi. Bye bye.